We are beginning a new chapter of our Sowing Seedz Grammar Course. We are going to talk about noun clauses. Before we get into it, you should know what a clause is. In English, there are two types of sentences, simple and complex. This is an example of a simple sentence. I drive my car to work every day. It has one subject, one verb. It shows a complete thought. We say that such sentences consist of one clause, one finished thought with a subject, and a verb. Now look at an example of a complex sentence. Before he comes into his office, he drinks a cup of coffee in the kitchen. This sentence has two clauses. First, before he comes into his office, it has a subject, he, and a verb, comes. The second clause, he drinks a cup of coffee in the kitchen. It also has a subject, he, and the verb drinks. A sentence that consists of more than one clause is called a complex sentence. In this course, we are going to be covering noun clauses and adjective clauses. A noun clause is a clause that acts as a noun. For example, whoever stole my car is going to pay for it. Whoever stole my car is a noun clause. Those who suffered from the earthquake will have to live in tents for a while. Those who suffered from the earthquake is a noun clause. An adjective clause is a descriptive clause. Think of it as a big, long objective. For example, all those things that children learn in school are useless. All those things is a subject. That children learn is an adjective clause. It's the description of those things. Another example of an adjective clause. I bought this watch for Sarah, who is my best friend from high school. Who is my best friend from high school is the adjective clause. It's a long description of Sarah. I will explain to you in details what the noun clauses and adjective clauses are and give you tons of examples and tests as usual. So stay tuned for that.